Well, I have one of these Sentry security boxes. It's supposed to be kind of fireproof up to a certain temperature, but the issue is the little lock assembly. Somehow or another, the key got pulled out and it wasn't in the rest position where it was supposed to be. So I'm going to try something and see if I can get it synced back in. This is a closer look of the little lock cylinder, and you can see right here, this notch and that notch is not lined up. And when that happens, your key, you can't insert it in there. So what I'm gonna do, I have two keys, and I'm gonna knock this tab off so it will install into that cylinder, and hopefully I can get it all back into sync. Well, here's the little barrel key, and what I'm going to do on the belt sander is just knock that little nub off right there, and hopefully I can kind of sync up that cylinder lock again. So here we go, let's give it a try. We got it knocked off now. Hopefully that'll do the trick. If you look at these keys closely, see how they have these little notches on the side? And they're all different depths. And so that's why it's so hard to try to pick one of these little locks. I push in on it, and now it's locked. Push in on it, twist it, it fell out, let's see. And now it's unlocked. So anyway, guys, I do appreciate y'all coming by the shop and helping me get that lock picked and everything and get it back in working order. So as always, thanks for coming by. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.